Sir, why are you putting on mask, sir?
Listen. It's not every mask that will make you well.
Jesus Christ.
Maxwell!
Sir,
Maxwell!
He didn't come today, sir.
Oh, okay. Am I making sense?
Hey!
Sir, what is it?
Sir, it's cough, sir.
Confidence.
No,
Be careful, oh.
Sir, it's just cough. Just small, minor cough, sir.
No problem. What the Bible say about cough? It said, cough not my anointed, and put my prophet no yam.
No, sir. Jesus. No, sir. This is wrong, sir. This is very wrong.
Am I making sense?
No, sir.
Sorry. Remember the coronation in the Bible?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, we're in the Bible, sir.
Let's say it happened in China. Nobody know that the coronation will harm. Am I making sense?
No, sir. But what is the connection between corona, harm, and all of that, sir?
Listen. Coronation.
Yes.
Wuhan.
Yes.
Italy now.
Jesus.
Am
Italy.
I making sense?
No, sir.
Exactly. The Italian man went to Kwara to do what?
Sir, wait, sir. What time in Kwara exactly?
In quarantine.
Jesus.
Am I making sense?
No, sir.
Because life is not really about.
Share you guys.
God. You think we're playing? You think I'm playing? How
no,
many
sir.
remember the 10 plague in the Bible?
No,
Number one, they turn water to what? To what?
To wine, sir.
Exactly. The second plague is what? Locust. I'm having no locust.
No, sir. It's locust, sir.
Exactly. Locust now. Am I making sense?
No, sir.
The third one is what? Who can tell me? Coronavirus.
Yay! Sir, but coronavirus is not among the 10 plagues now.
Okay, it's a fruit of the spirit.
No, sir.
It's a fruit of the spirit.
No, it can never be, sir.
It's anointing oil.
No, sir.
It's what? Mountain of what?
No. Hey!